Hello once again, friends and family. Today is Sunday. It is the final day of the 48-hour group build hosted by Greg over at the Modeler. Greg, appreciate you putting this thing on. Friday, I started at about 8 o'clock and finished my first build, which was you guys have already seen that. It was the mystery machine that was gifted to me by Chris of Chris's House of Plastic at Sam's Model Mayhem. That build only took like 2 hours to build. It was this guy right here, this little dude. Yeah, great little kit. If you need a slump buster, I would highly recommend it. Great kit. But yeah, that was my first build. And my second build, sorry I'm moving the camera around, but I'm kind of trying to make this a quick video. I know there's a lot of you guys putting your 48-hour build, your 48-hour group builds on right now. And I decided I would do another one. So what I wanted to do is show you this right here. It's the what's it called? The Kamen Rider, I think it's called. Yeah, the Mecha Collection Kamen Rider Series Acrobatter number 6. The bug guy with his motorcycle. So yeah, that's the kit box art. As you can tell, it's not a whole lot of parts. And they come in 3 different trees and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors, which is pretty cool. I like how they did that. And it's a Bandai kit. No clue what scale this is. It's pretty small, whatever it is. But yeah, that's the box. And when you open the box, you've got a bunch of Japanese writing that I can't read. And this is supposed to be a display base once you're done. But of course, I'm not going to do that. Pretty cool box though. And on the inside of the lid are your instructions, which is, oh, that's upside down, which are pretty cool. As you can tell, it's only like 8 steps. Rather detailed. I mean, some of it's snap, some of it's like compression fit, some of it's you have to glue a few pieces, but it's a pretty cool little kit. I got it for $10 at the local shop here at John's Models. Let me show you John's Models right quick. It's this guy right here on Kingston Road in Cantonment, Florida. So yeah, right there. And then Model Man Chuck's got his pin in the way, but that's all good. But yeah, this is my my second 48-hour group build final. And let me get you over to the bench. And well, we're already at the bench. What am I doing? Thanks, Craig, for putting this on, man. It's been a great deal. This is my first time doing it, and I plan on doing it next year or the next time it's done. Pretty cool stuff. Great idea for a group build. And I've met a lot of cool people through this group build, and I've hung out with a bunch of great modelers. Cool people as well. Over on the Alliance group chat, that's a lot of fun. But yeah, let me get you over to the bench and I'll show you my my final build. So here we go. And there it is. Now it's acrobatic glory. Guess I probably could. You know what? Hang on. Let me put this on a spinning deal. Hold up. So yeah, here we go. I put it on the turntable, hoping it would. See if I can slow it down a little bit. So yeah, there we go. Now it's on the turntable. And as you guys can tell, I used a lot of different colors and paints to do this with. And it was molded in 5 different colors. It was molded in the red clear, the blue, the black. Some of it was silver. But I did a lot of painting. I used Fusion Firm on the back there. And Fusion Firm for the for the chrome wheels, fusion firm for the handlebars. It's not focusing, but yeah, there it goes. Fusion firm for the handlebars, and for the middle between the eyes there, the bug. I really don't know a whole lot of history about this Kamen Rider series, but I thought it was a pretty cool little kit. Like I said, it wasn't but $10 I got at John's Models. Pretty cool. And the yellow stripes, those are decals. The white and yellow stripes are decals, along with the logo on the bottom of the fairing there. What else? Pretty cool little kit. And then I decided I wanted a base for it. So what I did is I went on the internet and downloaded a few pictures and meshed them together. The logo here, not exactly sure what that is, and it's supposed to say RX something or another black. Kamen Rider Black, maybe. I don't know what this is down here. You know what? Hang on. Let me get over to the laptop and I'll show you where I got that picture. I got it from my website called Secret Comics. This is where I downloaded it from. I just copy and pasted this picture, and not exactly sure what that says down there because it's very fuzzy and I can't read it. And I think it's in Japanese, so it doesn't really matter. But I don't know what that says. Hot toy something or another. Anyhow, pretty cool. But yeah, I just downloaded that picture and printed it out on heavy cardstock and then glued it to a piece of 1/8 inch plywood. Made myself a base. And I think it looks pretty good. Sitting up there like that. It would probably look better if I didn't have it on a mirror. Hang on, let me get it off of the mirror so it's not taken away from the model itself. Yeah, that looks better. So there we are, guys. Let me get the light over here. Maybe that'll help. Yeah, now we got some light on the situation. So yeah, there it is. That's my Kamen Rider. My second 48-hour group build kit that I've done this weekend. Hope you like it. If you don't, let me know in the comments. If you do, let me know in the comments. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And go over to Mutt Modeler and give him a follow and subscribe and like and comment and share and all that good stuff. And thanks guys for tuning in and sticking with me, and appreciate all the guys in the chat and everybody doing the lives and the group builds and the chats and the podcasts and all that. That's been a lot of fun. And until next time, you guys keep that stash growing and the airbrush blowing, and we will catch you on the next one. See ya.